Welcome to Elite Technique, the all-in-one fence software built to make your business work smarter, not harder. In this session, we'll discuss how to build a quotation template for a product variant. Let's get started. Click on the 9 dots located on the upper left part of the screen. Go into the Sales app, which is the little bar graph icon. Click on Configuration and select Quotation Templates. Click on Create to create a new template. First, give your template a name. By default, the system is set to charge by the panel. If you want to charge by the foot, check on the box next to where it says charge by foot. The next two boxes contain the most important information of the whole template. Here is where you choose the product and the product variant that this quotation template is intended for. Check on the box next to only blank posts if you don't need to distinguish between corners, ends, and lines. Finally, we may select after how many days we want this quote to expire. In the Lines tab, we're going to list all the products with their variants that we want to charge labor for when drawing fence in this particular material type. Just make sure that in the first line, the product and the product variant match the ones you chose at the beginning. And this is how we create a quotation template on the product variant level using Elite Technique. Thank you very much.